Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dogekong token. Now the Dogekong token just got listed today on a very big central exchange. Name of the token is Dogekong, and that is also the ticker symbol. We're going to go over the information on the Dogekong token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So Dogekong is a meme coin on the Binance Smart Chain. Now they have a large supply here. That's 1 million, billion, trillion, quadrillion, 999 quintillion, 900 quadrillion tokens. 18 decimal places on this token, and according to their BSC scan, it says 2 holders. So this token is not even available on Pancakeswap. It's not available on any DEXs or central exchanges. But it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, exactly March 17th at 15 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So you can get this token today. First of all, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Dogekong, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now you can follow their Telegram at Dogekong, and they have 1,952 members. 29 of them are online right now. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project if you want to learn more. Talk to community members, see updates. Then they have their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there, at Dogekong_. It says, Dogekong from the crypto jungle. Join our community chat. Then they have a link to their Telegram and their webpage on that Twitter right there. 11,600 Twitter followers, 77 tweets, and then in their pinned tweet, they have their new Mexc Global announcement, or their latest tweet. Could change by the time this video is uploaded, but then they have their webpage, has links to their socials. It says Central Exchange listing coming soon, and that's obviously Mexc. And so they have utility, tokenomics, frequently asked questions, info, all sorts of stuff on their webpage. Welcome to the biggest dog, the Dogekong. So they've been seen in RTE, Yahoo News, the Irish Times, the Telegraph, Hubie Gates, Crypto.com, KRAKEN, CoinMarketCap, and other news articles. At its heart, Dogekong is like Dogecoin, an accidental crypto movement that makes people smile. Just on gear, basically. It is also an open source peer-to-peer cryptocurrency that utilizes blockchain technology, a highly secure decentralized system of storing information as a public ledger that is maintained by a network of computers called nodes. The utility, an open source peer-to-peer digital currency just like Dogecoin, but more massive. Now, let's see here. They have their tokenomics. We went over that already, except for token allocation. So the metrics, basically, how this token is split up. We got 35% of the tokens going to marketing, 12% going to rewards, 10% advisors, 8% development, 15% team, and 20% central exchange listings. Excuse me. They have a whole bunch of tweets on here. They say, like, Dreamland awaits Dogekong fam. Let your imagination swing from tree to tree, collecting dreams. Wishing you a night filled with restful slumbers and crypto fantasies. Dogekong fam, what's your crypto agenda this week? Share your plans, memes, etc. So they're basically showing all their tweets, and they're saying, catch up with us if you want to, it looks like they're very active on their Twitter, with the community. So basically that's what they're trying to get across. So it says they're also going to be listed on Bitmart in the future. So if Mexc Global is not available in your country, you could wait until Bitmart, or you could wait until they get listed on a decentralized exchange like Pancakeswap. And when it does, you could fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. And then you go in the dApps, find Pancakeswap, and trade your BSC for the Dogekong token using the contract address that you can find on their webpage, dogekong.io. Not sure if there's taxes in this token or what. It doesn't specify because it's not even on DEXs yet. But in the future, those will be two other ways to get the token. It says Bitmart and then eventually Pancakeswap maybe. It doesn't specify though. So a utility token. Who's behind the project? It says anonymous team. And it says the whole team is juiced up just like Dogekong. So that's great, of course. I don't know why. When is launch? And obviously it is today. And so those are the frequently asked questions there. Now, on their Twitter here, they had a Kickstarter event prior to this listing where you could vote with MX tokens and win airdrops. And that's like a cool thing Mexc Global does all the time. So like I said, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I mean, they have tons of new token listings every day. The things I've been talking about lately in videos, I mean, I'm always talking about new token listings, but a lot of tokens get listed on Mexc Global. It's a really big exchange. There's a few other central exchanges that I mention a lot too, but that's a big one, along with CoinEx Global has a lot of great tokens being listed on it all the time. So if you don't have a CoinEx account, there's been a lot of Solana meme tokens this weekend. So I've been doing a lot of videos on Solana meme tokens that are just basically listed on Radium for the most part. But check out all those Solana meme tokens because those tokens have been going crazy lately. And I'm going to upload a couple more Mexc Global token listing videos today, so stay tuned for those as well. Check the channel. Hit that notification bell if you want to get updated right when I upload videos about new tokens. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Dogekong? Do you think this is a good investment or what? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.